Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a YouTube video in HostSinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your HostSinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to add your YouTube video on, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in the website editor, and first let's create or let's add a blank section to have space to work on. Let's say that I want to add my YouTube video here. Simply click on elements, then look for this video element, drag it and drop it where you want to add your YouTube video, then click on edit video. Now this is the default video. Let's delete it like that, and then let's add this YouTube video link. So I will copy link. Now go back below in the video link field, paste your YouTube video link like that, and you will see it here. Here you can autoplay this video or not. This feature does not work on mobile devices. You can even select looping this video, which means at the end of the video, the video will restart itself. You can even show or hide the video controls. This is only working for, I think, for Vimeo videos, but let's enable it. Let's disable it like that, or let's keep it showing. After editing your video, you can even edit the animation that the video show up with. Let's go with the scale 1. Now let's place my video where I want it to be, and don't forget to update your website. Let's view my website live, and this is my YouTube video. Let's play it or click on play. This is the video. The video controls are shown. Let's test hiding the video controls for this video. Update my website again. Let's view my website live. And if I click on, or if I play my YouTube video, no more video controls are shown. And this is how to add a YouTube video on HostSinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.